Hi there, it's Tally, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of performing a firearm pawn or buy transaction in Bravo. Start by entering the manufacturer and model into the Smart Search found here on the Bravo dashboard. For this example, we are going to use a Glock 19 Gen 5. Based on our unique pawn and buy multipliers, the estimated pawn and buy amounts appear here. Next, you'll answer the condition questions. Remember, these answers help Bravo in calculating the recommended amount to pawn or buy based on the item's condition and included accessories. Our final estimate is here, but wait, our customer needs more money. Now is a great time to check out the price guide summary and/or the price guide report and qualify your customer. Notice you can bring in your customer mid-transaction and take advantage of powerful insights into who is standing in front of you, how often they visit, and how profitable they are to your store. With the negotiated amount in place, we will fill in the details and wrap up this transaction. You can record the serial number here, and for the gun book, Bravo has auto-completed most of the data found here under Edit ATF Record with the information provided from the estimator, but we just need to now add the importer to properly complete the A&D entry. Additional item details can be added right here, and you can always add images by right-clicking on your mouse within the black square and either pasting or taking a photo from your webcam. Now select Next. If you need to add another item to the same ticket, select Add Merch or Add Jewelry here. Or you can keep this firearm in its own ticket and add items to another ticket by selecting General Merchandise or Jewelry from the right screen here. If applicable, complete the loan transaction on this firearm by performing and recording the MLA check, then select Next. Select Pay Customer by Cash, confirm the amount by selecting OK, then finish the transaction by selecting Save. The loan ticket, item tag, and supporting documents will print. That's it. If you have additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.